Hello everybody, how's it going today? Guess what? I'm going to show you in this video how to make $5 in 5 minutes in PayPal money, guys. In PayPal money. Who wants PayPal money? Of course you do, and so do I. So let's check out how you're going to make money online making $5 in 5 minutes starting right now. Hello guys, this is my channel here. I just want to, in my introduction, I didn't say who I was, so I am Grace, also known as Littlemama. I am from the blog workanywherenow.com, and if you want to know how I make money online and how I make a full-time passive income online, check out this link right here on my banner to the right. Here's how to make big money. You click on that link and I'll show you more on how to make money online, guys, okay? Now, for this video, I'm going to show you Street Bees. StreetBees.com is a company or an app, website, whatever you want to call it. Street Bees connects you with real people on the ground to gather real-time insights. With the power of artificial intelligence and geolocation technology, you can now collect data from anyone, anywhere in the world in an affordable way. So here, there's just going to be different types of things that people can ask, like the brands and companies can ask people. So this is going to be very, very cool. And this is going to be available in 87 countries, guys. Okay, so this is definitely worldwide for you guys. Okay, for those who are from all over the place. And then you're going to be helping brands basically get real insights into how people actually buy and use products, okay? So this is the way for us, me and you, who's going to make money from this. This is going to be very interesting, okay? So you're going to come up to, so to get to this site, it's just streetbees.com. So that's their name, streetbees, and then .com. And then you're going to click here, become a bee. Become a bee. So this is where you are here. It's going to explain more about how this works. Now, it's going to be very simple, easy. Pick one of the tasks, answer questions, and then get paid in cash. So what's interesting about this site is that the tasks that you guys are going to be doing are very easy, like everyday things that you normally do already, and you're just going to be answering questions about your daily activity, okay? So for example, on this phone here that they have on the site, making coffee in the home. So it says if you're a person who makes daily fresh coffee, can you take a picture of how you're making your coffee? I mean, and that person's getting £5 to complete this task. I mean, that's pretty easy, right? So they have, depending on where you are doing the task from, guys, it will be paying according to your currency. So if you're in the US like I am, you get to pay $5 to say what you think of your mobile network or whatever question they want to ask you about. This is yen. For Japanese people in Japan, take a photo at your local supermarket. And so this is available on both phones, Android and iOS phones. So this is really available for a lot of people all over the world. So this is awesome. Let's go to their FAQs here. Referrals. How much money do I get for referring my friends? Referring payments vary by country and task. So actually, it doesn't matter what it is, because if they have a referral program, it's actually really good news for you, because that's going to be a way for you to make passive income, okay, if you can earn off of your friends, okay? Is this for real? Yes, you will get paid for sharing your opinion with us or completing small tasks on your phone. This sounds perfect. Shall I retire now? No, not quite, right? Street Bees tasks provide pocket money that you can easily earn by spending a couple of minutes every week. Some of our bees have used their Street Bees money to buy new headphones for a fancy night out or save for a ski trip. Can anyone become a bee? Yes, anyone can become a bee who is over 18 years old and have an internet connection. And of course, because they are available in 87 countries, you can use it when you're traveling as well. But it says here, be aware that your surveys are only available in the language of the country you're in, okay? And for tasks, how long does it take to review my task? Our team endeavors to review all submissions within 24 hours and will notify you when your submission has been approved or rejected. How long can I reserve the task for? You can reserve a task for up to 2 hours. After that point, it will be returned to all tasks. So you gotta make sure that you guys do your task quickly or else someone else will grab it basically, okay? Doing tasks in a store. So there are going to be times where you can do things in the store as well. You need to be online to start and submit the task. If you don't have internet connection, please make sure that you start the task before entering the store. Take the necessary photos on your phone when inside the store and then press submit button once you are back online. Am I allowed to take photos in store? Yes, you are allowed to take photos in store unless explicitly asked not to by a member of staff. What happens if a member of staff asks me not to take photos? You should respect the request of the staff member and stop taking photos. In addition, please notify us immediately via queenbee@streetbees.com. And then getting paid. How much does the average task pay? Payments vary by country and task and typically reflect the complexity of the task. When do I get paid? You're going to make payments within 48 hours of the task being approved so that you're going to get paid very quickly, guys. So pretty much from start to end, 3 days, right? You got 24 hours for your task to get approved and then 2 more days for you to get paid. And how do you get paid? You're going to get paid by PayPal, of course. And if you don't have PayPal, they will do this mobile top-up option, which is, I guess, giving you like a prepaid mobile, prepaid phone. Can you deposit cash? No, you cannot. It's just going to be PayPal, guys, okay? So let's take a look at the reviews. For Street Bees on the Apple Store, you see, wow, very good rating here, 4.5 with over 600 ratings. And this app has been, oh, it doesn't say on the Apple Store how many times it's been downloaded. But let's take a look at the Google Play one. This one, wow, there's a lot more people using it on Android. Over 30,000 people are reviewing it, so that means a lot more are actually downloading it. And it's rated 4 stars. So that's very good. Very good review. Over 1 million installs, guys. Wow, that's very good. And it's updated very regularly. It's updated today. That's the day I'm recording this, guys. So this app seems to be very promising and a lot of people like it. So it's a definitely good way for you guys to start making some online money here, especially PayPal money that you guys want. But like it said, you're not going to be making anything significant or anything that you can depend on. And so for something like this, it's great to make that extra money so you can save it and actually invest it in yourself and invest it in a program that is like the one linked in the video description. So check out that first link in the video description. You will see that in order to make big money online, you're going to need to learn some online skills, okay? Not, you guys got to understand, if you want to make bigger money and make thousands of dollars, okay, if you want something that you can depend on, like making a full-time income like I do, you got to learn how to use a business model that can generate you that kind of income, okay? And programs like the one linked in my video description can teach you those online skills, okay? Remember that nobody is born with these skills, and everybody who's making big money online is learning from programs like that, okay? So I really hope you would join me and check out that program below, because that's this program that I'm also a part with, and I'm also learning from them as well. They teach you 4 different business models, and one of them is the one that I use. I use that one to make money even while I'm working or while I'm sleeping, and even when I'm eating or playing. So it is really cool to be able to make money like this online. And I know people who are looking for ways to make money online is actually wanting to make a lot of money online, and the way to do that is really going into one of those programs like the one I'm talking about in my video description. It's really awesome to make money online, guys, okay? I really love it. All right, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video. And I hope you have subscribed to my channel. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. And I really hope you guys make big money online soon, guys. All right? All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.